This was a result of efforts and, of course, hard work on raw material, packaging, material price decrease, planning production and production activities.
A new arrangement with the syndicate of banks, which significantly dropped our cost in the second part of the year, and we have also closed all other commercial bank loans, replacing them with Croatian Bank and Reconstruction.
Give us a blend. What is your strategy, let's say? You can have example for African market.
Europe are all there, so there is no surprises for us there.